Hey there, ever wondered, what exactly is Earth Day? Well, it's more than just a date on the calendar. It's a worldwide celebration and a powerful call to action for our planet. Back in the 1960s, our environment was facing some serious challenges. Factories legally dumped toxic waste, and pollution filled our air and water, often with little to no laws to stop it. That's where Senator Gaylord Nelson from Wisconsin came in. Inspired by student anti-war teach-ins, he envisioned a national day to focus on environmental issues. He recruited a young activist, Denis Hayes, to help coordinate this ambitious event. On April 22, 1970, his vision came alive. An estimated 20 million Americans from all walks of life participated in rallies, marches, and educational events across the United States, demanding action for a healthier environment. It was a monumental, bipartisan effort. The first Earth Day was a huge success. It directly led to the creation of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and groundbreaking laws like the Clean Air Act, the Clean Water Act, and the Endangered Species Act. Fast forward to today, and Earth Day is truly global. Held annually on April 22nd, it mobilizes around 1 billion people in over 193 countries, making it the largest secular observance worldwide. People plant trees, organize cleanups, advocate for change, and learn about sustainability. Earth Day reminds us of our collective responsibility to protect our planet for future generations. Every small action, like recycling more or conserving energy, adds up to a big difference. So, let's keep celebrating and keep acting for our amazing Earth. Subscribe to discover more fun,